Okay, so today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be trying to make a game in 10 minutes. So on my other monitor, I have a stopwatch with 10 minutes. You can see it on display right now. And what I'm thinking about is a game that, like a game where you collect things, like you collect an object, and then that object teleports to a different spot. It should be pretty simple to do in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna create a project, make it 2D, call it 10 minutes. Okay, now that we're in our scene, I'm gonna start the timer. In 3, 2, 1. Timer has started. So I'm thinking of the player just gonna be a square. If we have time, I'll make it textured. I'll put that in the middle, call it player, give it a rigid body. So I'm gonna create a, oh wait, I have to wait for Visual Studio to open. Oh no. I'll call this player. And open up the script. Please yes, open up the script fast. On, faster. Hurry on, 8 minutes. Please, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to create a public rigid, come on computer, rigid, body 2D, call it RB, public, H movement, 0, float, H movement, V movement, float speed equals 5x8f, RB.velocity equals move vector 2, H movement times speed, V movement times speed, H movement equals input.get axis, horizontal, vertical. And then that should give us, okay, we don't need a start method. Let's go back in and let's set these variables. Player. We need to make a circle, so create a new circle. Just be the thing that we collect. I'll play, and there you go, we have our script. And then we have our collider. So I'm gonna make this triggerable. And then I'm gonna create a new script. Let's call this collect. And then let's open that up. Okay, so on start, I'm gonna create a private Y pause, just X pause and Y pause. Set that to 0. And then on void trigger, enter 2D, X pause equals, what was it? Random dot range, and then that range from 0, negative 100 to positive 100. Pass in X pause and Y pause, and that should be it. Yes, that kind of worked. Don't maximize on play. I want to see where that went. Where'd that go? Where'd that go? Oh, I realized that these are really big numbers. So let's scale these back. 10 to 10. There we go. That's it working. We can display score on the screen also. If we have any extra time, maybe we can do sounds, but we need to make a new UI element, call it text. Score 000. And then I'm going to create a new canvas. Actually, I can just do this in here. Private text, private, I'm going to import using into engine.ui for text equals score. We make a score object plus score. We're going to create that. Private score 0. Oh yeah, these are score. And we have 3 minutes. I'll make it matter stuff, but we need to set this in the editor. Why is this not working? Oh, it's because it's private. I'm dumb. And there you go, score. We have 1 minute left. I think I can do sounds, and maybe fix a few things, like decreasing those numbers again. That's spawning in the wrong place again. Let's just do 4. How did I keep doing that? 4. Doesn't matter. Just do 4. That's like a 20 combinations, I think. No, it's not. It's just, but there you go. It's working. We don't have any time for textures, but this is what we've done. And I managed to do it under 10 minutes. So yeah. I might have been able to do textures if I didn't mess up the coordinates thing, but it's working. Let's see the high score that we can get for the timer ends. So we got a score of 23 in 10 minutes, and this is the game we've made. We've managed to create a ball that moves around the screen every time you touch it. And we have score UI, and yeah, that's pretty much the game. I probably could have done something better if I wasn't messing around with this the whole time. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been able to do in 10 minutes. So goodbye.